Hey, new ride, new video. Let's talk for a little bit. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Mike Bishop for Tactical POV, and today I want to talk about real fast, man, that we all know what's going on if you haven't been paying attention to it, but it's been the talk for over a year or so now that YouTube channels, especially gun channels, are being demonetized, and also they're losing their search, rank or suggestion, something. I know my channel's been affected by it too also, but recently I just got my monetization back, so that's a good thing. But what I want to say is that I finally got some things behind the scenes, done. And guys, as I said before, I'm a one-man show, so everything that happens that goes on with website, it goes on with setting up, which I'm almost done here with my new website, and coming up with clothing and apparel and stuff like that. It's like I said, a lot of it I handle. Most of all of that stuff I handle all on my own, so these things are coming as it goes. And along with it, the reason why some of the things that I do in my business and the reason why it moves so slow is because, for one, I have a daytime job, which I'm trying to, Lord willing, I'm trying to get away from here. I've been trying for a while, so things are looking better here. And two, I finance everything, so, and the bank doesn't finance anything that I do. I'm not beholden to any bank whatsoever. So anything that involves gear, equipment, everything else, it's all done by me, just me, totally self-financed. So certain things that would move a lot faster if I absolutely have to take a loan out or something. I don't want to talk about that. It's all financial crap, man, and I really don't want to deal with it. I like not being beholden to anybody else, just myself, and keep myself accountable, and that's how I keep it. But what I am trying to say is that I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go sign up, for your name, your email, and I can directly send you emails whenever I upload. If you don't hit that bell notification, make sure you share this link also with your friends and everything like that. Just get it out there, get the word out, because the more word you get out, the more you spread my link out and my channel and recognition. It helps me out quite a bit, and it also helps me out on the YouTube searches too also, because of the algorithm how it's changed. It really helps me out a lot. So, and it helps, the more that I can get recognized, the more subscribers I can get, the more I earn, the more I can earn to put more content out. It's a cycle. It's a cycle how it works, guys. So that's what I'm looking at here. So, and I really would appreciate it if you would do that for me. And on top of that, as I said, hey, look for me on the new videos coming up, because I got some other ones, some great stuff coming up here, some new content coming up. But along with finally get some shirts out. Some of my other shirts that you see me, my instructor shirts, I'm trying to get a good line and a good deal on those, because those will be special edition type shirts, and they're really good material, man, really awesome. Even when I got them back here some years ago, I made sure that was great material for anybody. It would be an option to purchase, to buy, and it's embroidered and everything else like that. So just give me time to work on it, and I'll get it out there to you and give you access to that also. So like I said, I got a lot of things coming up, man. It's been slow going, and it's been a lot behind the scenes. That's why you haven't seen me upload so much, because I can only be in one place at one time, and I'm spreading myself super thin. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it, man. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. Seriously, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification also. That way you don't miss out when I got some stuff coming up next. And keep me in mind. Make sure you share my link. The link in the description is right down there, man. Make sure you share it. I really would appreciate it, all right? So this is Mike Bishop for Tactical POV, saying that being armed is a mindset, not just a physical condition.